Hey guys, what is going on? This is Computer Name and FCOs with another video. I just got a shower, so I'm feeling super fresh. And yeah, so with this video, guys, I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit direct. I was watching a little bit of my other videos, and I noticed that sometimes, some of my videos aren't as direct as they could be. They aren't, as clear as they could be. But I just wanted to make this quick video because it's Sydney, Tokyo, and I've just started trading this session for reasons that are obvious when you start trading. Especially like I said, understanding stock, how I understand it now. Like I said, when I used to trade forex and things like that, I just used to kind of trade price action without honestly understanding that price action was a representative of how much we were paying for something, and all of that kind of just was not really apparent to me. None of this price stock, just thinking about it different. Like I said in my other previous videos, I just wasn't able, excuse me, to perceive the perception of price um, correctly, and how to react to, or how to react with the right perception of what price is. As far as having a reaction as a trader, I didn't really know how to kind of facilitate that kind of financial literacy in my life back then. But now, like I said, I kind of think of it a whole lot different. As you guys can see, my chart just looks a whole lot different. My approach is a whole lot different. But to kind of go in and kind of dive in on what we have this morning, like I said, I'm in GMT6, so my Sydney, Tokyo is around 2 or 4 o'clock. And it was actually really funny. I actually took this trade by accident. And the first trade that I took like this was by accident. And it turned out to kind of be a theoretical trade. And it was quite eye-opening how spot on it was once I realized why the trade was kind of good. And that's why I kind of have these sessions now. As you guys know, when I used to trade forex, I didn't use these sessions here. I didn't do that. But like I said, when you kind of understand stock and all this, it kind of will be you know kind of obvious why you should expect price to do the things that it does when it comes to trading stock. So anyway, guys, here's my analysis from the other day. This should be is the gold gonna be is XAUUSD about to fall video. As you can see here, hopefully my screen shows you that. But if not, the video is uploaded. That is XAUUSD video about to, is XAUUSD about to fall. As you guys can see here, the analysis was here at 44. I think that is 44, 44.88. Tuesday the 2nd. And that was here, 44.88, Tuesday 2nd. And nonetheless, we fell. Let's see, 4 o'clock, So we didn't even kind of come back up, which is what we could expect with the price action looking the way that it does. Uh, we have this bearish engulfing situation, and price doesn't really have to come back here because it kind of already came back here. We have this here, it came back here. We have a bearish here. Just looking at kind of price coming in here, we have this situation here as well. Like I said, some of these things where some of these uh, just the way that I kind of realize price these days, I think they call this a OHLC candle, where the wick actually comes back in and trades into some of these stop losses here. And then they kind of trade into the area that you are looking for it to be liquidity for obviously traders to collect once they close their trade. I gotta look this up though. I believe this is called the OHLC candle, but these are the candles that I kind of look for as well when it comes to kind of stock trading as well. I have these wicks here, these wicks here. I love looking for these. So I had some of these highlighted here. You see these purple boxes here. Those are our OHLC candles. Um, and I will look that up so I have a clear definition of what that means for you guys, for those who wants to know. But yeah, anyway, let's get more technical with this. So as you guys seen earlier, we came down off of those daily levels, 4 hour. We had those levels where the bearish engulfing candles here were hit mitigated. Some of them were not mitigated because the short was so strong. I believe the volume coming off of this, as you can see, the volume's kind of increasing. We're kind of getting these industrial candles coming off of the resistance here. I believe because, like I said, the price was so high. I keep saying 6,000, but I believe we are probably at like 5,200, 5,300, 5,700, or 5,800 per ounce. So gold had been climbing for a little bit. So we're kind of seeing these industrial moves here towards the downside. And maybe we can expect some type of long-term downside move for gold to go down if that's what they choose to do. Based on the chart though, like I said, as far as just a forecast of what we have now, we could possibly expect gold to come down to 33, 35, and see some sells until that area, until we start back going back bullish. We could even see lows as far as 26.65. It all just depends on what they want to do, and it all just depends on what the market wants to do. But as far as forecasts, I'm seeing lows as 2665, maybe even 2530 area, 2500, maybe 2480 area. Once we come down and get those OHLCs in the area, and we head back bullish, and maybe gold to see even higher highs. So we'll recreate a range between 2660 and that new five, uh, that new 48, that new 5700 area that we've seen. So it all depends. But guys, like I said, I just wanted to alert because Tokyo and Sydney are doing their thing now. And I'm seeing the volume here. We obviously have, let's see here. We have, let's see, four. So we are still respecting this bearish structure here, 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 here. So as far as the stop loss that I could tolerate, as far as right now, if we did get into a sell, would be probably 45.15. I believe that's probably $20 stop loss, and I would probably take it all the way down to 43.62 as of right now. You could take it to 44.25, but to get really your money's worth, and what I would decide, because of how far we're gonna go down, we're gonna go down probably 20 to probably 33 300 3,000 or so, or possibly even lower. I can't say right now, but like I said, that's just a forecast. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so here we got um let's see. Bears. I'm trying not to rush here, but I got a time limit on this video, so let's see. We got a bullish situation here. As you guys can see, like I said, some of these times and then we get rad rad situations like this where like you get a freaking OHC candle like this right here. You get a freaking OHC candle like this, and then um it gets traded into. So if you get an OHLC candle like this and it's bullish and you trade into that, you obviously know that, the market isn't bullish. You just have to have the experience sometimes to be able to like understand that when these patterns show up, they're gonna do certain things. And if they don't do certain things, then that's a clear giveaway that, the market is gonna behave in a certain way. Um so with that being said, like I said, I just wanted to alert because there was a setup, like I said, coming into what I could see. And like I said, this is where we recorded yesterday, or that other video is XAU about to fall. And we have respected bearish structure since then. We kind of have this bearish situation here. So we could possibly pop back up maybe, let's see, to, let's see, hold on, let's see 1 second. Okay, we got this OHLC. So since we got this OHLC candle here at 44.97 and it's respecting bearish structure. Let's see what this 4 hour is. Yep, the 4 hour. So it shouldn't really come back up here. We got this OHLC at 44.96, and we've already gotten a slight OHLC at 44.81. So I would expect if we wanted to take a signal now, I'm going to project, and this pennant here is new. This is the one that I just drew a couple of minutes ago. And I would expect from now, like I said, if I were to draw a signal for Sydney in Tokyo, I want to project a sell for this. Like I said, I am not comfortable with taking sells right now, but if you wanted to follow the market and see, how it reacts to this, see how price does here, I want to, just watch price action like I'm doing, getting back into it, you could. So yeah, but like I said here, boom, I would enter a sell right here. So this is just an alert. Let's see what the market does, and hopefully we check back in later on in the day, and this has done what we expected. We get some trades in the future. So that's going to be it. My projection for 6/4/26 XAU shorts. See you guys next video. Peace.